Hi there. Happy Natal Day to you, Sir Claro. In a very short time that we've been together, I'm proud to tell you that iba ka. You're one of a kind. And it's always been a great pleasure for me to be working with you. You deserve to be a, you deserve a good and well said greetings from each and every one of us, from your NFA family. You're a good leader, a kuya brother, and most of all, tingin ko, a sweet, loving, tender care father to all. Yun ang observations ko sa'yo. Kaya nga, now that you'll be retiring, medyo nakakalungkot, but we have to accept what's in store for all of us. All I can say is maraming salamat at naging parte ka ng buhay namin. Maraming salamat sa iyong knowledge, sa iyong mga sharing sa amin, advices. Mamimiss namin lahat yon. And most of all, yung mga jokes mo, yung mga, well, sabihin natin, hindi naman matagal na abang term mo sa ganyan, yung pangmatandang mga jokes. Pero hindi ka naman matanda. You're such a young at heart, so to speak. So, from the bottom of my heart, together with NFA Tagum family, we wish you all the best. After all, age is just a number. Tayo, basta bata ang ating puso, like you, magtatagal tayo ng gusto sa mundong ibabaw. At marami ka pang pasasayahin at matutulungan. So, my friend, may this very special day of yours be turned out to be a happy, a joyous one, and a merry one. Not only to yourself, but to everyone. Sa lahat ng pamilya mo dito sa NFA. Thank you and God bless, my friend. We love you all. Mwah!